We take the next problem. Integral x cos inverse x by root of 1 minus x squared. Now here u is equal to cos inverse x and dv is equal to x by root of 1 minus x squared into dx. Now this one, integration of x by root of 1 minus x squared, you must remember like a formula, minus root of 1 minus x squared. Remember, x by root of 1 minus x squared integration is what? Minus root of 1 minus x squared. Use by parts uv cos inverse x in brackets minus root of 1 minus x squared minus integral minus root of 1 minus x squared into du. Differentiation of cos inverse x is what? Minus 1 by root of 1 minus x squared into dx. This root of 1 minus x squared and root of 1 minus x squared cancel. Minus root of 1 minus x squared into cos inverse x. 3 minus signs are there, plus minus, and integration of 1 is what? X, and then plus c. 22nd problem is what? Integral sin inverse x whole squared. It is a good problem. Into dx. So u is equal to sin inverse x whole squared. dv is equal to dx. V is equal to x only. Now uv, it is what? uv is what? u is what? Sin inverse x whole squared into v. V is what? X minus integral x, that is what? V, differentiation of sin inverse x whole squared. 2 sin inverse x into 1 by root of 1 minus x squared into dx. Differentiation of sin inverse x whole squared is what? 2 times of sin inverse x into differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x squared. So this is rewritten as x sin inverse x whole squared minus 2 integral x sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x squared into dx. Now once again you put u is equal to sin inverse x, dv is equal to x by root of 1 minus x squared into dx. So v is equal to, what do you get? Minus root of 1 minus x squared, as I told you to remember. So this is x sin inverse x whole squared minus 2 into bracket. Use the by parts formula uv. uv is what? Sin inverse x into minus root of 1 minus x squared minus integral v minus root of 1 minus x squared into differentiation of u. Sin inverse x is what? 1 by root of 1 minus x squared into dx. So root of 1 minus x squared, root of 1 minus x squared cancel. So this is x sin inverse x whole squared minus into minus is plus 2 root of 1 minus x squared into sin inverse x minus into minus into minus, 3 minus signs, minus 2, integration of 1 is there, integration of 1 is x, and then put a constant c. Next we take the problem integral tan inverse x into dx. So u is equal to tan inverse x and dv is equal to dx. V is equal to x. So uv tan inverse x into x minus integral v is x. Differentiation of tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x squared into dx. So this is x tan inverse x minus, here multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Half integral 2x by 1 plus x squared into dx. What you have done? Differentiation of denominator, you find in the numerator, so log of the denominator. So it is x tan inverse x minus half log of the denominator, 1 plus x squared and then plus c. Next problem 24, integral x tan inverse x into dx. So u is equal to tan inverse x, dv is equal to x dx. So v is what? Integration of x dx. Integration of x dx is what? X squared by 2. So uv, u into v, tan inverse x into x squared by 2 minus integral v, x squared by 2 into differentiation of tan inverse x, 1 by 1 plus x squared into dx. So this is nothing but x squared by 2 tan inverse x minus half. Now numerator only x squared is there. This type of problem we have already done. Add 1 and subtract 1 by 1 plus x squared into dx. So this is nothing but x squared by 2 tan inverse x minus half integral 1 minus 1 plus x squared by 1 plus x squared is 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x squared into dx. So now you come across x squared by 2 tan inverse x minus half into bracket integration of 1 is x minus 1 by 1 plus x squared is what? Tan inverse x and then plus c. Next problem, integral x cube tan inverse x into dx. Say once again same thing, u is equal to tan inverse x, dv is equal to x cubed into dx, and v is what? X power 4 by 4. You know why it is x power 4? X power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1, that is 4. uv, it is what? Tan inverse x into x power 4 by 4 minus integral x power 4 by 4, that is what? V, differentiation of u. Tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x squared into dx. So rewrite this one, x power 4 by 4 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 4 integral x power 4 is what? X power 4 and subtract 1, add 1 by x squared plus 1 into dx. So this is x power 4 by 4 tan inverse x minus 1 by 4. X power 4 minus 1 can be factorized as x squared plus 1 into x squared minus 1. So x squared plus 1 cancels, you are left with x squared minus 1 and then plus 1 by 1 plus x squared. And this is x power 4 by 4 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 4 into bracket integration of x squared is what? X cubed by 3 minus integration of 1 is what? X plus 1 by 1 plus x squared is what? Tan inverse x brackets close plus c. Now here you must remember, whenever exponential and trigonometric functions come along with x, take exponential and trigonometric as dv and u as x. Whenever inverse functions and logarithms are there, take u as logarithms or inverse functions and dv as the rest of it.